Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A52, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into the download mode. Now, to get started, you will need a cable for this. As you can see, I have one right here, and you want to plug it into your computer. From there, let's power off the device. And once it's powering off, you want to hold power key and, or not power key, but volume up and volume down. And as you can see, it automatically boots into the download mode. You don't need to hold power key actually, just volume up and down. And it is barely visible, but it basically tells us to press volume up to continue to access the download mode. So let's press volume up, and oh, there we go, it actually got really bright, so that's good. So now we are in the download mode, so that is how you could access it. And once you're done with it and you want to leave it, as you can see, we have the message right here: hold volume down and side key, power key basically, for more than 7 seconds to reboot the device. So I'm gonna do that right now. There we go, turned off, so I can let go of the keys. You can also unplug it. And there we go, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.